Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get dataset from Kaggle. Obtaining datasets from Kaggle is straightforward and only requires selecting a file and downloading it. And here are the clear steps to get a dataset from Kaggle using your Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone and open a web browser like Chrome browser. Go to the Kaggle website, then tap the menu, the three lines icon. Sign in to your Kaggle account or create one. Tap the datasets from the menu. Use the search bar to find the dataset you need, and tap the dataset to open its page. Scroll down to review the dataset details, then tap the download button, and then confirm. Then accept the dataset roles if prompted. Wait for the file or zip file to download it. Now, open your files, then My Files app. Locate the zip file on the download section, tap on it, and extract it to access the dataset. Helpful tips. Datasets usually download as zip files. You may need a file extractor app like Zarchiver. Larger datasets require a stable Wi-Fi connection. You can upload datasets to Google Drive for easy access.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.